Hi guys, welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. We know that when you delete a file or folder, it will go straight to the recycle bin. And also, if you want to delete a file or folder, when you press delete on a button, it will ask a confirm delete option. Or are you sure you want to move this file to recycle bin, like confirm dialog box? You need to press yes or no to do the delete file formation. And we also disable this delete file dialog box by using in the recycle bin properties. In the recycle bin properties, you can see there is the display delete confirm dialog box. When you uncheck this and apply this time, when you delete a file, this will don't ask the delete dialog confirmation box, and it goes straight to the recycle bin. So where I'm going to restore it for the better example now. And now if some users accidentally some users accidentally activated this display dialog box unchecked, we may not get delete file confirmation box. So if you don't want to change other users this display delete confirmation dialog, we can change this tweak by we can disable this option. We can disable this display delete confirmation dialog by using simple restrict tweak. Then no one cannot change the property of the display dialog box. So we are going to use a simple restrict tweak to enable the display dialog box confirmation dialog box, and no one is going to change that option. So first I'm going to open registry editor by pressing the start button and typing registry editor regedit, and now we are going to a path where I'm going to create a new key and also a new dword value for this display dialog box confirmation. So I'm going to the hkey current user. In the hkey current user, I'm going to expand software. In the software, I'm going to expand Microsoft. In the Microsoft, we are going to Windows. So in the Windows, we are going to expand Windows. In the Windows, we are going to expand current version. In the current version, we are going to select the policies, not expand. There is no expand keys. So I'm going to select the policies and right click on the policies and create a new key. The key name will be EXPLORER and press enter. When you create a new key in the policies, it will goes into the subkey. Now select Explorer. In the right hand side, we need to create a new dword value. So I'm going to create a new dword value by right clicking on right side and select new and dword value. In the dword value, we are going to create a new dword value with the file name confirm file delete without any spaces, and each word with the capital letter. So capital CONFIRM confirm FILE file DELETE delete confirm file delete. So press enter to create a new dword value. So we are created a new dword value with confirm file delete. So we are going to give the value to 1. So double click on the confirm file delete and give the value data 1 and press OK. Now you can see there is no sudden change in the there is no sudden change in the registered tweak. We need to restart or sign out and log in again to check the effect of the registered tweak. So I'm going to sign out and log in into my computer. So now I'm restarted my PC. So I'm going to check is the registered tweak is worked or not. So I'm going to right click on the recycle bin and select properties. You can see that display delete confirmation dialog box is grayed out with enable tick. So no one disable this tick and no one disable the display delete confirmation dialog box without any changes in the register. So we apply OK, click OK. So whenever we want to delete a file, when you press delete, it will ask the delete file confirmation. So there is no change or there is no disable option for this delete file dialog box. If you want to remove the method, or if you want to enable this display dialog confirmation box option, so we need to just simply undo the dword value 1 value to 0, that is confirm file delete dword value 1 to 0. This will automatically enable this option to change for display delete confirmation dialog box.